Hello everyone, welcome to our channel about washing machines. Today for the first time I will be uploading educational videos about washing machines in English, which you will find very useful. Watching these videos in our channel, you will learn how to solve minor maintenance and repair issues without having to call technician. To get the most out of the channel, feel free to push the subscribe button and like the videos. Though not in English, you can still check our previous videos which are very educational and deal with repair issues. I will inform you about the operation principle of all washing machines regardless of brand and model. Watching our videos, you will be able to do almost any repair work on your washing machines with your own hands. I am well aware that people in Europe and over the world are suffering from the shortage of washing machines technicians and are having a hard time finding a technician to take care of their washing machines. After learning from the videos in our channel, this difficulty will fade away and you will easily repair your washing machines yourself. There are small secrets in the washing machines and you will learn them through our videos. That's for today. This was just a brief introduction to our videos. The upcoming videos will be about education and repair work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the videos. I will be your closest assistant. See you soon in our next video.